Maybe I should do a new series called like Jen tries really hard to do hair but she's not good. I think that's a really long title. You guys could help me with that. I'm gonna start off in Gullible and I'm gonna use the shader brush. And I'm just gonna start putting this on like above my crease and like concentrating the color on the outer edge. And then just kind of blending it out a little bit. I literally just dipped into a completely different color. Okay, so I want to build it up on shape. I've been thinking that it would be so much easier to do makeup if we only had one eye. Alright, I'm going to use the same brush, just the tip of it, and I'm going to smudge this into the lower part of my lash line on the outer edge and just kind of try to meet it on the edge there. So I like this. I think I want to make it a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to try to go in with just a little bit, but it can be a little heavy-handed. So I'm going to use Marvelous, which is a dark matte brown. And using a teensy bit, and I'm going to buff it into this like outer V area, just to make it a little bit deep. What happens when you really think through your looks and then you're kind of like, hey, what should I do next? Oh my god, how do I always do that? I didn't even use my fingers this time. Dude, I need like an apron for just makeup because I don't cook. I know, I have problems. Okay, I think I'm gonna do Manipulative on my lid. So it's a shimmery copper. Okay, I'm gonna use a cream shadow brush. Just kind of dip into that and then pat that on the lid. So this is going in like all the empty spaces. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna use Antsy on the inner portion of my lid and as my inner corner highlight. So just this little inside portion, kind of blend it with Manipulative using a crease brush. And then I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. Use the shader brush to just sort of blend this out towards the top there. Okay, and I think I want to do a little bit more on the lower lash line because I'm me and I like to smoke things out, and that's just what I do. So, okay, I'm going to use the crease brush and I'm going to mix Antsy and Manipulative, which are the two shimmery colors that are on my lid, and I'm going to buff them into the lower lash line. And I also got some in my eye, but that's okay. Okay, maybe it's not okay. Alright, it's all good. And I'm buffing it down a little bit low, but no big deal, guys. Beauty is pain. No, I'm just kidding, it really shouldn't be. Okay, I'm gonna go into Gullible and the shader brush again and put that like a little bit darker and a little bit smokier on the outer portion of my lower lash line. Okay, so my mom's coming early, so that means I actually like legitimately have to hurry up. Because knowing me, I could like blend and keep adding colors for like another 2 hours, and we don't have that time. She's gonna arrive. Sorry, that sounds crazy. Now for eyeliner, okay? Trying to wrap this look up. Okay, I'm gonna sharpen this first on my upper lash line. I'm I'm not gonna do false lashes because if I'm running late and I'm not that good at them yet, I still have to keep trying. It's really challenging. I think it's because I have tiny eyes too. Okay, and then I'm just gonna get a little bit into the outer edge of the lower lash line. So not going in my waterline in an effort to try to make my eyes a little bit bigger. I don't want to close that area off. I'm just smudging it in. So I like it. Good, because we don't have enough time to start over. Curl eyelashes, mascara. Okay, and then for lips, I've been doing Well-To-Do, and I do the lipstick first, and then I do the lipstick first, and then I do the lip liner, because I feel like it blends really nicely that way. Okay, and then I'm using pouty. All right, and that is the finished look, guys, so thank you so much for watching.